Welcome to this Birst Blast instructional video brought to you by Agile Dragon Group. To see this video and others, join the Dragon Den. Remember, in for Birst, it's all we do.
In this lesson, we're going to cover some of the key topics in Birst. The terms that we want to cover are space, visualizer, dashboard, and collections. A Birst space is really just a container of data, transformation, reports, and dashboards. If you remember from our previous lesson, Birst ingests data, can transform that data, store it, and then use that data to build reports and dashboards. All of that work is done within a container. Your instance of Birst may have one or multiple spaces. An example of having multiple spaces would be having data, dashboards, and reports that relate to sales in one space, and data, dashboards, and reports that relate to human resources in another space. Users are then added to spaces so that they can access the dashboards, reports, and potentially data within the space. Visualizer is a tool in Birst that's used to build visualizations, for example, charts, graphs, and tables of data. The visualizations are built from the data within the space, and we can even save those visualizations for further reference. Visualizations can also be placed onto a dashboard, which brings us to the concept of a dashboard, which may be familiar to you, but a dashboard is really just a collection of visualizations presented to end users to tell a story about the data. For example, you may have a dashboard that relates to sales so that sales reps can look at the dashboard and see the health of the company at any given time. Dashboards, once again, are built using Visualizer and using data from within the space. Dashboards are also dynamic in the sense that they refresh as often as the data in the space is refreshed. So if we reach back out to our data sources, pull in the most recent data lives in the space, and therefore the visualizations and the dashboards update based on that refreshed data. And finally, collections. In Birst, collections are really just a collection of dashboards that relate to each other. In this image on the right, you can see that there is an accounts receivable dashboard or a sales receivable analysis dashboard that is in the accounts receivable collection. There are multiple collections for sales, purchasing, accounts payable, for example, and within those collections are dashboards that relate to that topic. So collections are simply a collection of dashboards that relate to each other. Thank you for taking a couple minutes to learn the Birst terminology. Please come back and visit us for further lessons.
Like this video? See it and others like it in the Dragon Den. The Dragon Den is Agile Dragon Group's free Birst community and knowledge base. Just follow the QR code on your screen and apply for access. I look forward to seeing you in the den. Have a good day.